Hello everybody. Welcome to my channel. Practice your English with Rick. Based on New Headway 5th edition. Unit 1. Review. Verb to be. Possessive adjectives. Possessive s. Verb to be positive.
I'm from Bristol. He's from Bristol. We're from Bristol. Here are some examples.
They're Italian. I'm from Oxford. He's 20 years old. It's expensive. We're students. She's married. You're nice.
Verb to be negative.
I'm not from Italy. She isn't married. We aren't married. Here are some examples.
They aren't from Oxford. I'm not Spanish. He isn't 25 years old. It isn't sunny. We aren't young. She isn't a student. You aren't French.
Yes, no questions.
Is he nice?
Yes, he is.
Is it nice?
Yes, it is.
Are you married?
No, we aren't.
Here are some examples.
Is it sunny?
No, it isn't.
Are you from Madrid?
Yes, I am.
Are they students?
No, they aren't.
Is he Spanish?
Yes, he is.
Are you cold?
Yes, we are.
Verb to be information questions.
What's your name?
Alicia.
What's her surname?
Johnson.
What's his phone number?
07773 321 456.
Where are you from?
London.
Where's she from?
London.
Who's Lara?
She's my sister.
Who's she?
She's my sister.
How are you?
Fine, thanks.
How old are you?
I'm 22.
Here are some examples.
What's his address? Where's the party on Saturday? Where are your parents from? How old is Freddie?
Possessive adjectives.
What's my name? What's your name? What's his name? What's her name? What's its name? This is our house. This is your house. This is their house. Here are some examples.
I'm Susan. This is my family. That's Alex. And that's his wife, Sonia. Theo and Max are students. Their school is in London. We are British. Our dad is from Manchester.
Is this your bag, Alicia?
Yes, it is. That's a nice dog. What's its name? She's Italian. Her home is in Milan.
Possessive S.
My wife's name. Andy's dictionary. With plural nouns that end in S, put the apostrophe after the S. My parents' house. Here are some examples.
Annalisa's blog is in English. Rosie's brothers' names are Rick and Edward. My dad's name is John. Our friends' homes are near here.
That was fun. Let's do it again sometime.